afternoon, guys. Yeah, I just finished my duty and maybe 2:05 already when I sign out, and I'm still on my bike. Yeah, when I check my phone, it says that my van is ready to pick up. All done. Yeah, Mr. Steve said it's all done. Yeah, so I am going there now, but it is very hot. Look at that. It is very hot, and if I ride this bike, I will be sweating a lot before getting there. Yeah, it is in Salamander Bay shopping no, not shopping square, but in Salamander Bay area. Maybe 15 to 20 minutes ride. I'm actually thinking of just taking a taxi, but it will cost me over $15. Yeah, instead of taking a taxi, I will just ride all the way to the auto electrician. Yeah, the money that I'm going to spend for the taxi, I will spend it to buy KFC, and I don't have any protection. It is going to be a sunburn later on. The rest of the road, the rest of the way going there, I will be exposed to the sun. The good thing is that there is a wind breeze, so the heat is not extreme. Oh, I am going to drive to the other side because it is shaded over there. Yeah, very nice. It's not very hot. Yeah, because of these trees. Amazing. I was not expecting for this very big help. I love it. So what I am feeling now is just the wind breeze, not the heat coming from the sun. Okay, we are now here. I actually don't have a cash. This Toyota that I like. Yeah, Land Cruiser. Amazing, very good looking. Looks very strong, very tough. Yeah, my head, my hair, full of sweat. Okay, this ready? Okay, I'm ready to go. The bike is over there. The exhaust is working now. I need to switch off the light. Yeah, and we are now here in a KFC. Yeah, I'm just waiting for that truck to move. I got my soft drinks. Yeah, the guy is now preparing my KFC meal. We are now here in the Roywood Reserve, and there are many people in here. Actually, they are swimming, resting. Yeah, paddle boarding on that side. Yeah, some people, they are having a gatherings, doing picnic. And they just finished my KFC. Actually, I ordered large, and this big French fries I don't really like. I still have the 2 chicken. I just finished the soft drink because I was just very thirsty. This dashcam, this is now hardwired to the electrical system. So this is how it is today. No, I'm full with the KFC that I just ate. So in here, he put this USB outlet, 2 USB outlet, because this is where my faucet is going to be. Yeah, this is rechargeable. Most of the thing that he did is here. So he put this red arc, I don't know the name, maybe AC/DC charger or DC/DC charger, and also a lot of fuses here. So basically it is on at the moment with 13.3 volts on it. It is always on. He said that I don't need to touch anything in here. Yeah, just this on off button. And actually the roof ventilation, it is working already. Yeah, look at that. And this light, this is the power button. And like what I've said, the dashcam, he hardwired it. And another thing is he put 12 volts outlet here. Yeah, cigarette outlet, because this is where I am going to put the fridge. The thing is, he didn't put any 240 volts outlet similar to this one. So when I am on camping, this bike is going to be like this in here, maybe on that side, and I will be sleeping here. I am very thirsty now, and there is no store nearby. Later when I get home, I'm going to make this one full of water. Oh, actually I'm going to Salamander Bay Shopping Square. Okay, we are now here in the Salamander Bay Shopping Square. This self-adhesive film wallpaper is actually just $7. If you've seen my table, it's actually covered by this kind of wood, I mean wallpaper. Also maybe this one for my sink, but not today. This is what I bought from Kmart. Some of the shops are still open. Actually, still shops are open. Because today is Thursday. During Thursday, usually shopping mall, they are open until 8 o'clock. Yeah. And then the rest of the week, they are closed. They close early, 5 o'clock. You know, the feeling when you get out of the air-conditioned building is similar when I first arrived in Dubai. No, not actually, because when I arrived in Dubai, it was a winter. Yeah, so yeah, it's cold outside, but sometimes during summer, yeah, coming from other country, maybe Southeast Asia or Europe, and then you get out from the airport of Dubai during summer, yeah, you will surprise, you will amaze how hot it is during summer when you get out of the airport, get out of the building, especially if that's your first time to experience Dubai or Middle East. This is going to be the very first air freshener of this bun. And we are here in Aldi. We're just going to browse for their special. Okay, so I actually also went to Woolworths here in Nelson Bay, and I bought this rice. I bought a coffee and a creamer, and this is what I bought from Aldi: hot cross bun and this toothpaste. Okay, we are home, and it is now 7 o'clock exactly, but outside is still bright. Look at that. And my housemate, he decided to stay here on top of the charger. Yeah, it looks like me. Oh, and now I will be able to clean this space. Yeah, these things are all coming from the car, and some of these are also going to go to the garbage. And I also have this one. This is the not working roof ventilation. If you can fix this, I will give it to you. Yeah, just send me a message and I will give it to you. Also, if you want this one, the bike roof rack, I can also give that to you. No, not roof rack, but bike carrier. Yeah, for the spare tire. Yeah, it's hot in here. I'm going to take a shower, and then I'm going to have my dinner, and I will see you tomorrow. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, at the moment we are here in a Bunnings warehouse. I worked today from 6 o'clock in the morning, and I finished at 2 o'clock. I did a breakfast. Yeah, we did 150 cover. Yeah, so it's a little bit busy. And after work, I come here straight. And because I want to have I want to put a curtain here, also to this side, and also here. I have this already, but this one is just protection from the sun. I want to put more curtain, the real curtain one, but I cannot figure out how to put it in here. Yeah, there are actually many options inside, but those are designed for the house, windows of the house. Yeah, so yeah, I end up buying just this one, this garbage bin, but this is going to be a like a gray water container. So as you can see, this is the end of the sink. Yeah, the from here, from this sink. Yeah, and yeah, this mess is actually coming from here because this morning, yeah, I made this one. I mean, I put this wallpaper. Yeah, similar to what I did in my working table in the house. And yesterday I also installed this my faucet, but no water yet. And you notice this, it is working very well. Yeah, very nice. Okay, that's it. I am going home now. Actually, I'm going to the grocery first.